Hello guys, today I'll be reacting to a few videos requested by Dog Soldier 6. First is the GFriend GING of SinB doing a fan signing with Evisu. Next one is a Christmas GING, and then there's a snack time GING, and then the last one there's a video of, I'll explain it when we get to it. Here we go. These are we'll start with the first three GINGs. Here we go. Fan signing. Cool. Just a solo fan signing. I would still go to this. She's so cute. I'm here as well. I love it. I love it. It's so good. She's very happy about this. Whoa, fantastic. Of course, you'd want to. Yay. That's so cool. She's doing really well. I would love to go to this. I would line up for this for sure. Oh my gosh. How cool would it be? I just couldn't speak Korean, so I just have to like try to get my point across. It's in English and or I'd learn like a few Korean words. I should keep getting more photos done. That's so cool. They're so playful, these girls. What's she doing? Is that Timberland?
에비수 팬사인회가 끝났습니다. 저는 이제 다음 스케줄을 하러 갈 거고요. 내년에도 팬사인회를 할 수 있을지 모르겠는데 내년에도 단독 팬사인회를 할 수 있으면 정말 좋겠네요. 내년에 단독 팬사인회를 하게 된다면 멤버들이 와주지 않을까 내심 기대를 하고 이 비하인드를 멤버들이 본다면 또 와주지 않을까 기대를 합니다. 단독 팬사인회 정말 의미 있고 값진 시간이었고요. 그리고 오랜만에 무대를 봐서 너무너무 좋았어요. 내년에도 에비수에서 만나요.
Evisu next year. Maybe I can time a holiday to Korea then. That would be awesome. But anyways, that was the first one. I really like that. Yay. Here we go. Now Christmas time. Alright, here we go. Oh, choosing their props. They get to choose. That's really fun. Gotta have bells. And tinsel. Did I not put these up? Oh.
누가 우리 애한테 손 찍어봤어요? 가자. 누가 우리 애한테 찍자. 어떻게 하면 좀 멋스럽게 트리 같아요?
She's trying to look like a Christmas tree. Yeah. What an awesome Christmas tree. Those glasses are amazing. Wow, that's so cool.
아니 이거 쓰고 너무 예의 없는 거 아니야?
Is it disrespectful to wear these glasses? She just puts them on anyway. That's hilarious. These girls are the best. Seriously. You look like a really good dancer. Look at her dancing. Main dancer. That's so funny. Oh, what? Oh, that was behind the scenes. That's so cool. They had so much fun just getting ready for that.
안녕하세요, 연수입니다. 어디 내일이 무슨 날일까요? 언니가 크리스마스 다 차려줬지.
And they're just like, that's so funny. That's hilarious. I'm glad they showed us that. That's so funny. Alright, next one. Snack time. I'm really curious because I love snacks. Here we go.
고구마로 마를 것 같은 이렇게 해서 딸기랑 고구마랑 포도즙이랑 이렇게 해서
Batches.
은서랑 여름이가
Oh.
아주 사랑 중인 친구죠. 멤버들이랑 나눠 먹으라고.
So nice.
딸기는 저 혼자 다 먹어.
That's so funny.
저는 하나 줬고 지금 제가 하나 먹고 있고 딱 하나 남았고 바카스는 저 먹으래요. 그래서 잘 먹으면 와 이거 진짜 로션 짜놓은 거 같다.
Look at that. She's so funny.
선비가 줬어요.
Oh.
잘 다녀갔는데 이런 선비. 어머,
So nice.
고구마 타임 방해하다니.
잘 일어나자마자 줬어요.
So cute. She looks happy.
꿈을 꾸다는데 또 꿈을 꾸고 있는.
Oh. It's a good feeling.
오늘 저희들 너무 추운데 진짜 응원해가지고 이런 거 저희도 나중에 한번 또 재밌는 주는데 다들 고구마 좋아할지.
Oh, maybe she'll get it for buddies. She looks so happy. Oh.
호불호가 좀 있는 음식.
나 애기
좋아하는
했을
사람은
때는
진짜 잘
먹었던 거
먹어.
같은데.
저도 어렸을 때 먹었어. 금방 먹고 싶은 사람.
전 지금도 어려서 먹어요. 전 아직 어리거든요.
I love her.
뭐야? 너 3,000원이면 진짜 아니지 않나? 5,500원이야? 이거 5,500원이야. 이게 3,000원이라고?
That was so cute.
원장이 한 컵이? 에?
금방 5,000원.
Her sounds are so funny.
제대로 먹어봐. 진짜 먹는 곳이야. 아니야. 벌레도 단백질 풍부하고. 바퀴벌레 못 봐.
언니 유준이 저랑 미로랑 먹었잖아요 옛날에.
아 맞아. 근데 나 거의 먹는데 안 맛있었어. 아 맛있는 거. 미러으로 음식 만드는 거 한번 했었지.
그리고 사람이 자면서 벌레 한 10몇 마리 먹는데.
맞아.
은하이 저번에 벌레 먹잖아.
아 진짜? 단백질 보충하려고. 나 운동해야 되니까.
I've eaten them before. They've sold up, not sold. They've given away actually in the city, like crickets or probably little crickets or something like that. It's quite crunchy. It's yummy. It's fine. Here we go. This last one is based on the Elegant family drama or something like that, where it's a rich family that's a bunch of phonies, and they're giving away. They're doing a funeral for a carp or a fish. And now I think GFriend's reenacting it, so that's what's happening here. Here we go. Oh, this is so funny. Wow. Oh, so they're putting her. They're putting her into the movie. That's Eunha. Oh, she's got. I reckon Eunha would be a really good actress. Like she does it really well. I've seen her a few times doing scenes. This looks funny. Oh, look at their faces. I reckon I'd love to see them all in a drama. Adieu fish. This is a comedy. It's got. That's hilarious. Oh, she's so pretty. What a scene. That was amazing. Guys, oh, what's happening? Oh.
Adieu Mulgogi.
So good. Ah, she would be so good in a drama, and then she could sing the soundtrack as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.